Hi. So I posted something recently where I cleaned up phone numbers by taking out individual items like parentheses and dashes and whatever. I took those out with find and replace. Another method, someone said, can I do it all at once? And so I started looking around and I found an answer. This is from my friends at ExcelJet with this uh, equal regular expression replace, you could do it. So I've got a mix here. Some are coming up with parentheses, dashes, periods. Some have text in it as well. I'm going to ask it to only give me numbers. So I'll use this formula, which I've copied over here. I'll put it in the description so it's easy to copy. And there you go. It strips down all of the numbers out of there. Once you have those numbers, I think what I would do is go ahead and copy, paste value only. So then it is no formula left in there. And then at that point, escape out of the copy, I would get into my number formatting and I would choose my special and do a phone number. That way I could get them all consistent. There they're looking lovely. And up in the formula bar on each one, you can see it's the raw number in there, but the formatted version in the cell. I think that'll work great for a lot of you. This only works on the Microsoft 365 version of Excel. So if you have an older version of Excel, this formula function will not work. Good luck.